Another Lego project. Marvel Spidey and his amazing friends. We got Rhino in there. We got the Hulk. It's pretty cool. We got some cars in there. We got a little Spider-Man with a jetpack going on in there. This was $20 at the Dollar General, believe it or not. I did not know they sold Legos. Yep, let's get into it. Everything open. All right, let's see what we're dealing with here. Right. I got 2 bags. 1 and 2. All right. I got, of course, the bases for the cars. This has like 110 pieces in it. We got 1 and 2. So they come as separate books. 1 for the Hulk, 2 for the Rhino. Nice. All right. So first, I'm gonna open up 1. Side. All right. And the scissors. All right. So first it says we dumped the bags, which we did. All right. First thing we're gonna do, put the Hulk together. All right. So we got Hulk's head. Looks like a turtle. All right. Let's see. Big old fist here. There's his bottom part. Purple shorts. Nice. It's kind of a mess in here. Now I'm looking for his hair. He should have a little right here. His hair. I always have trouble putting these pieces together here. All right. There's the Hulk. Nice. And the side here. All right. Now I'm looking for this trash can. With the trash can, it's telling me to put the hot dog together. Where's that little wiener? Right here. Put that guy in there. Snaps right in. Get a little hot dog. It says you just stick it in the dumpster. All right. What a waste of a hot dog. Okay. Put that side. Now we put in Spider-Man together. Spider-Man's chest piece. All right. Now here's his head. Nice, nice, nice. Little Spider-Man. Now we need his legs. Right there. Little Spider-Man. It's actually my first little Spider-Man. All right. Then his big piece of web. You put in his hand. There you go. Nice. Okay. I'm going to set him over here. Now, we take this red guy, put the red thing on here, the little vent looking piece. Then, put that down. Now I want this blue piece. And the little vent on here, right there. All right, he goes underneath, like so. Make sure it's even. Nice. All right. Now I got these. One here. One here. So it looks like I'm making Spider-Man's hang glider. The colors kind of give it away, but also the wings. Hang glider, wings, jetpack, whatever it is. All I want. 1. That. 1. And the second one somewhere. Here. Like that. All right, cool. I'll take those and I slide them in. 1 and 2. Nice. All right. Now I take blue guy, step him on the bottom here, like so. Okay, now, here we go. With his feet, put Spider-Man together like that. Nice, nice. There's Spider-Man. And jetpack. Move him to the side. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, moving on. We got this guy here, the base. Oh, remember, there's 2 of them. They look identical, so just need 1. Now we need put one of these on the end. All right. I need purple. Purple ray here on the end. Check. And it says take one of these vents. The vent right there. Yes, or a grill. Looks like a vent or a grill piece or something. All right, now I need a smaller purple piece right here, like so. Okay. Put this other purple guy right here. Nice, nice. All right. Moving on. Now take this guy here, overlaps that, and I take all these flat pieces, stick it in here. This little flat guy, put it here, like so. Okay. Moving on. Now I actually get, so I'm not actually building a chair. I'm just adding a chair. So the chair sits in there, like so. Nice. All right. Moving on. Now I need 2 of these, and they go in the front. Like there, and here's the other one. Here. Okay, like that. Looking good. Now I need the steering wheel. The steering wheel goes on the inside piece right here. All right. Now this guy, horseshoes in here, like so. Okay. Takes a little vent, then goes in between. So, all right. Now take one of these small guys, smaller 4-piece there, then take the wider one. Goes right here. All right. Now I need one with the holes in it. 1, second one, 2. There we go. I've pretty much got an idea what it's gonna look like. Now just for the Hulk. Now I take the hood cover over like so. Okay. We got the windshield. 2. Boom. It's starting to look like the vehicle, isn't it? All right. Green Hulk can. One in the front, snaps right in there. Second one. Right in there. There we go. Looks like you can actually grab something. That's interesting, almost like bumper cars. Now we're gonna put the wheels together. So you're looking for Lego built on the size of the tire, and we're gonna do this. Just pop that in there. I'm gonna do that to all the tires. Go And oops, wrong way. You want the rim sticking out. Almost did the opposite way. Also tire size and Lego. Back. Well, same thing. Okay. Put that in there. We got all 4 of the rims and tires put together. Now, we're just gonna 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. It rolls pretty good. Yeah. Nice, nice. All right. We got a spare hot dog. We're gonna go just put the spare hot dog in the trash can. The trash can just kind of hangs out. Okay. Cool. Put that there. The Hulk actually rides in this thing, so you can just sit him in there, like so. Nice, nice. All right. Now, moving on to step 2. Looks like it has a few more pieces in it, but we'll find out here in a minute. Boom, boom. Look at that. Oh, small pieces. All right, so we're gonna put those off to the side here. Okay, those. So, all right. Nice, nice, right? All right, let me get the other book open here. 2. All right, first thing it's telling me to do, we're gonna build the Rhino. The Rhino. So here's his chest. All right, let's see. Here's the head. Look at the evil grin. All right, here's the bottom legs. And here's probably my favorite part. That looks freaking cool. That's nice. All right, so we got him put together. Gonna stand over by the Hulk. The Hulk could probably take out the Rhino easy, but the Rhino is kind of, in the comic book world, he is leathered up with really good armor. So, okay, now I need this thing. All right, so let's see, how's that snap in there? Oh, those little slots. Boom, get the little door. Cool, all right. Put it in there. Need like a little, looks like it's showing a gold bar, because that's what's supposed to be. Stick one of those in there. Then, looks like diamonds. Put another one in there. We'll put them both in there. Cool. Close that up. And we're gonna put this on top. Like that. Nice. So it's like a safe. Nice. All right. Now take this here. We'll put this in the middle. Like so. All right. Close that. Now I'm taking 4 of these opposite ends. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so that's what we'll work with now. Now I need these odd pieces. I need 2 of these. They go on top. 1. And where's the other one at? Here. Another odd piece. Check. Right there. Okay. So this is supposed to be part of his car, but it could be something else. But we'll go with the car part. Now I need 2 of these. I want them to face out. Like so. 1 and 2. Like that. Looks like the safe could fit in there. Okay, now I need gold roofs. 1 and 2, like so. All right, put that down. Now, yep, exactly. So the safe fits in there. So you take the safe, just slide it right in there. But also can slide out the other end too, so careful with that. There's a little deposit area. That's cool. All right, let's move you to the side. Now I want to take this black piece here, and I'm gonna take 1. You want the face out. It doesn't matter which side, which end. 1 and 2. So, all right. Moving on. To these orange. So moving on. Got this piece with 6 in it. I'll level that in there. Like so. Now I'll take the 3. 1, 2, like so. Now I want this piece. This goes on the top here. Like that. All right. Now I'm gonna take these 2 little pieces here, here, like that. Almost like you're building a bunker. All right. Moving on. Take this yellow piece. It goes, I guess, dead center here. All right. Now I need this piece here with one of these vents. He goes on the end here, like so. All right. This guy goes, the other vent guy goes in the front here. So that pretty much closes. That's like a gate. Kind of cool. Here. Nice. Put this guy across here. All right. Now we need like the control panel. Goes here in the center. Like so. All right. I need these 3 pieces. Well, 3 clicks. 1 and 2. Like that. All right. Now these little, look like scoops or ramps. 1 here. The other one here. This guy's looking a little aerodynamic already. All right. Now, take one of these in, like so. All right, take this guy, stick it in, first flush. Nice, nice. Now, purple guy, or pink. Go on the end here. And I need this guy with the hook right here in the front, like so. Now I need this guy. He goes in the front, like so. All right. I'll take the hood, like that. Nice. I like the fact the stickers are already on it, decals. Right. Now we're gonna put this horn horn literally lodges right here in the hook, and it's rubber, so so it can be warped. There you go. Now these, the orange, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the wheels. There's no rubber with them, so they should slide or something. All right, so I got 1. And they spin quick. 2. Uh-oh. Oh, I didn't get it on there. In the hole. 1. All right, the other side. 2, 3. All right. Nice. Over. So the Rhino, we won't stick in there. We're gonna make him stand up. I guess you can sit him down. He's gonna stand up though. Boom, there's the Rhino. And a little chest he's trying to steal, a little safe thing going on. Nice, nice. Of course you got the Hulk. This is very simple to build. As you see the instructions, literally easily made for younger children. So I recommend highly, especially if you're learning Legos, especially somebody like me that's not that great with them. So, yes. Here's our little setup. Trash can here, and Spider-Man. Spider-Man! Pretty cool, huh? I like it. That's a huge web for Spider-Man. Yeah, Spider-Man, Spidey and his amazing friends. The Hulk and the Rhino. I really like that Rhino. You guys, hope you guys enjoyed. This is pretty fun. So, until next time, kiddies. And this only had 110 parts. It was number 10782. So, until next time, kiddies. Until next time.